Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue with part 4 in comparative. And we will work with the activity book, okay? Time to practice. This page is 76, 77, 78. Okay, open your activity book. Page 76, activity 1. Here you've got to write examples of this. A big city, for example, Madrid, a hot place, wet country, small animal, high mountain, a fast car, dry country, a slow animal. Complete and then check your answers. Okay, answers. You can write different answers if you want. For example, number 1, Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia, etc. Number 2, Sevilla, Granada, Malaga, etc. These are only examples. Number 3, United Kingdom. Number 4, butterfly, ladybird, mosquito. Number 5, Everest. Number 6, DMV. Number 7, Sevilla. Number 8, turtle or snail. Continue with page 76, activity 2. Order the letters and write the comparative adjective. Remember, like ER. Okay, so let's go then. Here you've got the answers. Number 2 smaller, number 3 bigger, 4 drier, 5 wetter, 6 faster, 7 slower, 8 hotter. Okay? Page 76, activity 3. Write 2 sentences for each picture. You have to compare these 2 pictures, okay? So complete it and then check your answers. Here you've got the answers. Number 1, the tortoise is slower than the rabbit. The rabbit is faster than the tortoise. Number 2, Captain America is younger than Superman. Superman is older than Captain America. 3. The strawberry is smaller than the watermelon. The watermelon is bigger than the strawberry. Page 77, activity 1. Look, circle and complete with the correct form of the verb. Okay, here use these verbs to complete these numbers. Okay? Be very attentive. You have to complete with the correct form of the verb. Okay? Complete it and then check your answers. Here you are. Number 1, love doing. Number 2, don't like going. Number 3, like chatting. Number 4, don't like playing. Number 5, like having. Number 6, like speaking. Okay, remember after love, after like, we use ing. Okay, continue. Page 77, activity 2. Here the answers depends on you. So it depends on the things that you like or don't like or hate. Okay? Page 78, activity 1. Read and color the adjectives. You have to color depending on this scheme. Okay? So blue, red or green or black or yellow. Remember the meaning of this. Here you've got the answers. Blue, tall, long, fast, short. Red, deep, sunk. Green, ugly, happy, heavy, funny, thirsty. Black, exciting, interesting, expensive, beautiful, difficult, boring, dangerous. And yellow, bad and good. Let's go. Page 78, activity 2. Compare the pictures using the adjectives in activity 1. So, as always, stop the video, answer, and then check your answers. Okay, here you are. The sports car is more expensive than the bike. The boy is bigger than the girl. 3. Rock climbing is more exciting than playing basketball. In number 4, films are more interesting than homework. We have finished, okay? Comparative part 4. Congratulations! You have worked very, very hard I'm very proud of you. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. We will continue next day. Kisses, as always, hugs, and see you very soon. Bye.